Hey everyone! Ever wonder what doctors are really checking for when they take your vitals? Today I'm going to show you how to check the 4 main vital signs right at home. It's simpler than you think. First up, body temperature. A normal temperature is around 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, but it can vary. Use a digital thermometer under your tongue or armpit for an easy and accurate reading. Next, your pulse rate, which is your heart rate. Place 2 fingers on the inside of your wrist or on the side of your neck. Count the beats for 60 seconds. A healthy adult's resting heart rate is usually between 60 and 100 beats per minute. Then there's your respiration rate, or how many breaths you take per minute. Simply count the number of times your chest rises and falls in 60 seconds. For adults, 12 to 20 breaths is typical. Lastly, blood pressure. This one's a bit trickier without a cuff, but affordable home monitors are widely available and super easy to use. Knowing your numbers can be a great way to keep an eye on your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.